Good afternoon. Time to do our trade recap on the E-mini this morning. We started off this morning wanting to stay on the sidelines with the news. Non-farm payroll news is a big number, and it can really affect the trading, and we saw that today. And then we wanted to re-enter post the news at a trade level that gave us an advantage. And off of the structure, we thought that we had a pretty nice advantage in the 75 area, letting them get stops below the overnight session low, but picking up this value area low from the preceding day. And then we wanted to sell failure to take out this high that was set off the news. So that would have a short in the 85 area, plus or minus. So that was the setup that we had after the news. The day session opens, and the first move down stops at 75, then the market rallies up to 86, which was below this high, and we caught both sides of the market perfectly. You can see that D period headed south. So how do you put a trade on? We've got the idea, we've got the levels where we want to execute and enter the market at levels that we feel offers us an advantage. So how do you put these trades on with a higher degree of certainty that you've got as good a trade location as you can get and that you're actually right? On the first trade this morning, the buy was right down here, and we had our retest failure trade set up right here, right off the opening in the day session. So if you didn't want to have a limit buy at 75, the next way to take the trade was to buy stop when you took out this bar's high, and the market eventually trades up to 85.73. So you would have been long at 79.50, and the market trades up to 85.75, so you would have picked up, had a shot at 6 points. Now the trade that we saw that offered the most advantage, especially based on the ambiguities that came with the news this morning, was right here. This is our retest failure, and you see we've got some width to these bars as we come in the area, but all of a sudden the bars get skinny. So when you break this bar's low, you sell stop into the market, and you're short at 84 off of our entry rules, and the market trades down to 74. So you had a shot at 9 points. So we normally expect to make 3 points, give or take, on any trade that we make. So you had a shot here at 3 to 6 points. On this sell, down at the bottom, you had a shot at 3 to 9 points. So you're looking at making 6 to 15 points on the E-mini on these two trades alone. And that's a pretty nice trading day. So you've been looking at $300 to $750, and that's not a bad way to start the day on relatively low risk trades. The trade that had the lowest amount of risk associated with it was the sell off the top when you failed to take out this high that was set on the news. Please contact us at CNFT Futures. We'd like to go over the details of our trading methodology and programs with you. See you soon.